Okay.
I came across Zen Windows pretty much by accident. We knew we wanted new windows. We really didn't know where to start with the process, so I was Googling all kinds of stuff, and Zen Windows popped up, and I saw that getting an estimate, a free estimate online in 5 minutes, and I thought, well, that's kind of weird. That's not heard of. So I just kind of passed over it and was still looking around and kept seeing Zen Windows the more I looked, and so I thought, well, I'll look into it a little bit more, and I kind of liked what I saw. I mean, it's just kind of like a comparison. I hate buying a new car, but make the process very, very simple, so that appealed to me. So actually we only got 2 estimates. I got an estimate online, never met Dennis, talked to him on the phone a couple times, and emailed back and forth, and I found a site online that does independent reviews of window companies, and you could send these guys a question. There's 2 guys that run it, so, and it's nationwide, so I said we got, and it was this much, and we got an estimate from Zen, and it was this much. Should I get more estimates? What do you think? And he immediately sent back and said, Zen Windows by far. There's not even any question. So I did a little bit more research, and because I'm a research type of girl, and just felt more and more comfortable with that. The estimate was quite a bit more, like about 1/3 more. So that helped to decide. And when this Dane from this site, this independent replacement window site, said Zen Windows, that kind of fixed it for me. So we went ahead with the process and back and forth, signed online, didn't even have to fax anything or no signature, and the guy came out and measured the windows, told us a little bit more about the process, never asked for any kind of deposit. All the information we had said just pay when you're happy with the installers. When they leave, that's when you pay. And another thing that's kind of unheard of, so I appreciate the trust that they have in me, and so I can have that same trust in them. And so now we're standing here and our windows are almost done, and I can already tell a difference in our house.